Hi guys, this is my bike check on my mountain bike, and let's start off at the front end. I have Shimano rim and a Shimano hub, Shimano DRA hydraulic brake and a Bengal rotor, Cedric Garcia XC tire, Monito 180mm travel fork, Ritchie Barnes duo grips, Shimano DRA brake levers and shifters, specialized bar and stem. My frame is the Norco Phase, and I have a Sunline dash guard and DRA cranks, Fox Float R rear shock, Ritchie seat post and saddle, DRA 9-speed rear shifter and giant pedals, a 9-speed cassette, and a Shimano hub, and the same brake setup as the front. Okay, so that's about it, and yeah, that's my bike.